Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the device itself because Wallet inherits device security. Set a strong passcode, 6 digits or an alphanumeric code, then enroll Face ID or Touch ID so authentication is quick and reliable. Next, go to Settings and disable Wallet access from the lock screen. This prevents someone from opening Wallet without unlocking your phone. Once done, you've created the only practical perimeter around Wallet. Device-level authentication, plus removing shortcut access from the lock screen. You now refine Wallet behavior to ensure it demands authentication every time. In Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay and confirm Require Face ID or Require Touch ID is enabled for payments and card use. While here, disable the double-click side button shortcut so Apple Pay can't be summoned from standby. Make sure Express Transit cards are evaluated. If you need stricter control, remove Express Transit or set it to require authentication. These steps force Wallet interactions to authenticate through your device security. You finish by testing and handling problems. Lock your phone and try to open Wallet. You should be blocked or asked for Face ID/Touch ID or passcode. If Wallet still opens without authentication, go back to Settings and recheck lock screen access and Wallet and Apple Pay options, then restart your phone. If a specific card remains accessible, remove or temporarily freeze it via your bank's app. This combination, device passcode, biometric auth, and lock screen restrictions, is the only reliable way to keep Wallet effectively password protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.